What did you demonstrate at DemoFest?
So the DemoFest, we've been using technology, using iPads and various other mobile devices for training. So one is having the training on the mobile devices, the other is actually using the mobile devices because of mobility and using them to and seeing how you can use them for on-the-job training. So we had done a very interesting project for one of our customers, this was using near-field communications as a technology and how that can be used for on-the-job training, and that was one of the things that we demonstrated in mLearnCon.
What was the response like?
Oh, it was amazing. I think people really liked it quite a bit. There were a lot of interesting projects. The one thing that I did miss out, because we were actually doing the demonstrations, we couldn't participate in the rest of the demos, but I think that was very interesting. It was nice to see what the kind of responses we were getting, because I think technologies like QR codes and near-field communications are being tested for the first time. And it was interesting how people responded to how technology can be used for training. I think that was very interesting.
Would you recommend DemoFest for other e-learning companies, and why?
Absolutely. I think DemoFest is a great place to showcase your innovations. There are a couple of very good things that happens in mLearn, because it's very mobile learning focused. The kind of audience that comes in are people who have interest in using mobile learning. So if I had to do it against mobile specific innovations in another event, I may not get focused attention from those audiences. So when it is mLearnCon, then people know that it's all mobile learning and they all have an interest towards mobile learning, and therefore it gives me the right kind of audience to showcase. And of course it's across different countries, so the kind of geographies and people come in is very interesting, because you get a different kind of crowd, and I think it's a good place to be in.
Vas, good luck with the event.
Thank you so much.